Hi guys, Jeff here from TAT. Just want to show a couple of things on this particular vehicle, Ford Territory with some braking issues. So first up, a full inspection of the braking system, we were able to find out this, and this is a common issue with the brake boosters, completely rusted out at the bottom of the booster. Obviously water condensation, settles in the bottom of the booster, eventually rusts them out. So in this particular case, a new booster. Once we put the new booster and master cylinder in, I was having a look at the website through our repair solutions, and again, a couple of issues coming up with either front calipers binding and or faulty master cylinder / boosters. And with this particular case, after road testing initially, we were getting some front binding brakes. We were able to confirm it was not the booster or the master cylinder that we had fitted, it was actually the front calipers. So the calipers have swollen up and again need to be replaced. There's a couple of different makes and models of vehicles that have these issues with front calipers where they'll swell up and then start to bind up, so we get the front brakes on it. So we have a number of case studies relating to this sort of braking systems on these Ford Territories, this one being a 2015 model Territory. So keep that in mind if you've got a car that's coming in like that. Consult the repair solutions on the website to see if there's any common issues, but also make sure you're having a thorough inspection, particularly of the booster and those signs of rusting. Hope that helps you out. See you next time.